everyone, I'm Marcela Aquino and I'm going to talk about the cryogenic grinding of spices. Grinding is an important unit operation in which we reduce the size of the particle and we increase the surface area. When we increase the surface area of the particles, it means that the availability of the principal constituents, such as flavorings, oils, and fragrances, that are available on the material increases. Grinding is the most power-consuming operation. In spice grinding, the temperature rises to 42 to 93 degrees Celsius, causing a loss of volatile oils and flavoring constituents. That's why we could see that the thermal damage is one of the principal limitations of the conventional grinding. The normal grinding produces low-quality powder that doesn't reach the international standard, so this causes low prices or the rejection of the product. We can reduce the temperature of the product by recirculating cold air or water through the grinder, but this is not 100% effective for reducing the temperature. Nowadays, they are using new methods such as cryogenic grinding for species for conserve the flavor, the nutritional facts, and the color. Now they are using the liquid nitrogen as a direct method of freezing. Extremely low temperatures on the grinder solidifies the oil that can cause the particles become more fragile and it can break easily. The first step is to introduce the material. We can see that in the second step that the liquid nitrogen is introduced with the material on the endless screw. Liquid nitrogen passes through the control valve through the endless screw. The third step is when the material turns fragile. And the fourth step is when we find the fine non-sticky particles inside the mill. On the fifth step that separates the liquid nitrogen to the material. In the final step, we can see that the sieve separates the fine material to the rejected material, that it returns to the first step. We had a lot of advantages by using the cryogenic grinding. We can have a better quality product, a better size of the particles. We can avoid that the oils and the fragrance of the product can go to the air, and we have better production index. That was all the process. If you had any comments or questions, you can write them below. Thank you.